Welcome to Ploop Channel. I am patrolling the beach. Is everything okay here? Yes, the beach is okay. Maybe I'll go and take a swim. Oh no, it's too cold for swimming. Oh, what's that? But look, a house is on fire on the island. Help! 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 Our house is on fire. We were lucky to escape in this tree. But now we can't get down on the ground because the tree is surrounded by fire. Hold on, hedgehogs. I'll call my rescue friends and we'll come back to help you. Marshall, load all our rescue equipment onto the boat, ready to sail to the island. I will call the others. Okay, Marshall, can we set sail to the island? Yes, Ryder. Everything is ready.
Hurry up! The hedgehogs are surrounded by fire!
The fire is spreading over to the trees. Quickly, let's get the equipment out. Here, the pump, the hose and the life-saving trampoline are all ready. Hang on, hedgehogs. We will save you right now. Please hurry. Also, there is a little duck trapped inside the house. She can't get out because the door is blocked. Help! Save me, please. Help! Help! Chase, Rocky, Rubble, get out the hose and spray water onto the house. Sky and I will get the trampoline and help the hedgehogs down from that tree. But look everyone, there is a problem. Our hose is too short. We must dig a channel to bring the water closer to the house. But Rubble, there's no time for that. We must remove these branches to get into the house to save the little duck. Look, I'll save you. Oh, I saved her just in time. The fire has nearly reached her room. Sky, Zuma, pull this trampoline and make it taut. Okay, hedgehogs, quickly now. Jump into this trampoline. Okay, I will jump first and everyone follow me, like this.
Oh, I'm afraid. It's very high to jump down.
Mummy, jump down here quickly. Yes, come on down, don't be scared.
Woo! Oh yes, that was not difficult. Now we are safe.
This water channel is nearly finished. Okay, it's ready. I will start to pump the water.
Paw Patrol, thank you all very much, and especially Chase, because he risked his life to rescue our little duck friend.
That's our job, Mummy Hedgehog, but now we must go to a new mission. Paw Patrol never stop working.